execute, but I need to
I,
like, set up the environment and path so it will
Mhm.
work properly.
I do understand it takes a lot of time. It's not, installing Java, Eclipse, and running a program. It takes some
Mm-hmm.
time. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's why I'm asking is I can, if you're facing any issues, let me know. We can fix it up to
Yes.
everyone.
And for the drivers, do you know where can I get the drivers for the browsers that I'm using right now?
You'll get online. We'll come to once we start Selenium. I'll tell you today. I have a
Okay. So
small
I just need
intro.
to set it up like, basic,
Just
like,
basic.
the
Just run set up a Eclipse and run a
uh
basic Java hello
Okay.
world program. That's main
All
goal.
right. All right.
That's what our expectation.
Sure.
And
Sure.
so let's start with the strings. Okay, string is a class. We do a lot of stuff with string because storing the data, slicing it. Basically, it is very pretty much useful. Like, well, when it comes to Selenium, you have to grab some data from the text, from a text box to verifying. String class is pretty much used. See, it's called immutable, means you won't be able to change. That's why string class is immutable. It's always start with string keyword and then give a variable and store some data. We are saying string is a show equals my Java. If you want to convert this particular variable into array, we'll see how does it behave. So you can move around. I just gave the Java like this. My Java, it got converted into single character. Before you can reverse an array, like before it was my Java, then it got converted to my Java, and then you can check the contents whether particular variable contains the same or not. Okay, this is this Java, this character array. You can check the length. What is the length of the Java? Then it will show me. It's not there. And then value
And
of
I have a question.
yes,
Would you be able to share with us the program
yes. I'll
that?
I'll share you. I'll share you the whole code, everything.
Thank you.
Yeah, inshallah. And then sometimes there's called string builder class. So it is a mutable class with only the string. We won't be able to. It's not a mutable class. With string builder, we can able to reverse the string. It has a built-in method called. See here, this is how we declare a string builder class. First, we say string builder, and then create an object and new string builder. And here we pass the string. It has a built-in method called reverse. See, it has a various built-in methods. It makes us to play around with the strings, like append to string, delete. Same thing we won't be able to do with string class. These are two main differences between string builder, and string buffer. Delete, append. So once you start install your program, just play around with the strings. It's very interesting. Again, it checks the length. Dot equals the built-in method of a string class. This is pretty much useful. Equals, the double equals. These are pretty much interview questions. They will ask you what is the difference between equals and then equals. Dot equals is nothing but it compares the contents of two strings. Okay, the contents are equal. Equal is refers to the memory location. Double equal is a logical operator. It refers to memory location contents, the equal or not.
Subhan bhai,
Yes,
what are these strings are called? Like you said, equal and double equal.
it's a double equal is a logical operator. If for comparison purpose we use. Okay, dot equals
Okay.
it compares the contents of the string variable. Okay, what is there? But
Okay.
again, there is difference between dot equal and then equal. See here, and what I'm
Okay.
saying is, I'm saying string variable galaxy1 equals new string Samsung. Okay, galaxy1
Okay.
variable has a data Samsung.
Mm-hmm.
mi41 has a data Samsung. Okay,
Okay.
but the how they behave is different. If I say equal, there these two refer to memory address,
Okay.
so they are equal. If
All
I
right.
say dot equals, it won't be equal because they don't refer to memory address. The contents are
Oh,
different. Even though
oh,
uh,
understand.
Samsung, but the contents it says it returns as a false. These are two main differences you have to remember. Dot equals and equals. It's pretty much quite confusing. So did I clear your question, Tariq bhai?
Yes, I get it.
Yeah.
Thank you. Jazakallah.
No. It's better you clarify if something's not clear. Please ask me a question, I'll explain. Yeah.
Sure.
This is about a string class and string buffer class and string builder class. Yeah, you have to remember these. These are quite common interview questions. Equal, double equal. Okay, they'll ask you how do you reverse a string. There are a couple of methods using a string builder class. Other one is with the string class. We'll see that later on. That's about string. Then there's something called utilities. Okay, we learn what happens. This is a little bit advanced. I'll just show you the why we use go for utilities class. Instead of hard coding values, we store it in a file. Okay, because in automations we might our data keeps on changing. Instead of hard coding, we store it in a class and using a properties class to retrieve the data. Here is there's something called in order to read data from file and then read and write to a file. There's something called file input stream class and file output stream class. This is a particular syntax we have to follow. File input stream, this is a object name, new file input stream, and the location of the file where it is located. And then properties, and then new properties, create instance of the properties class. And then once you have created, you have instance of a object of the properties, then dot load the file, and then you by built-in method of get property, you can get what is there, what is the value in the browser class. Let me open a new window. Okay. Now what we are doing is we are trying to get the property of the browser. See here, we are saying Firefox. That's what we are saying is Firefox. That's a key value pair. If you say browser, it will go and fetch the property of the browser. If I say URL, let me add this URL. Then I'll give this key value. Then I'll print using this statement. URL. If I run this program, it should display me the URL. See, it is getting displayed. Main advantage of this is so that we don't have to come to code and change it. Just go to specific file and change the parameters. That's why we go for this. Reading from the system.properties file. It is quite handy in most of projects. In this particular system.set properties file, we store all our environmental variables, username, password, and data. Okay, that's about. So we covered strings and then how to read a value from a file. Okay. Down the line, we'll cover object-oriented like polymorphism tomorrow. I'll just give you show you brief. Demo of a Selenium. How does it look like? So I'll just run this program and see what it is doing. Okay. For launches a browser, and then loads a page, and it does certain operations. It enters username, password, selects a drop down window, and then it's looking for some components, enable or disabled, and then goes to a specific table and grabs some value. Okay. So that's how it's overview of a high level of, see here, these are things it's doing inside. It selected that, I grab the text of the home page, then it got the values from the list box, and then it got the values from the table, and then it selected, grab the value of the specific table column value, and then I think one of the things failed. That's basic about Selenium. See, basically, it does, what Selenium needs, it's pretty much simple. It needs a driver. Okay, that's why I want to, once you have the setup is ready, I want you guys to start a basic web page like Google page and play around. That's my main goal for this week. Well, you should have Eclipse up and running, and then with the help of Selenium drivers, you should be able to launch a browser. So are you guys are with me?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So shall we achieve this task for this week?
Yes, for sure, inshallah.
Yeah, inshallah. We'll try to at least launch a basic Google page with the help of Selenium drivers and Java. Okay, guys? Once you do this, pretty much is all about it's up to you. How much you want to utilize the Selenium. There's a tons of stuff available. I'll guide you through. Yeah. So this for this week by coming Saturday or Sunday, it's pretty much simple. It's very straightforward. Just have to add. You just have to add this code. That's all. Similar set properties. There's a driver. I'll show you where you can driver. Just give the path where it is getting stored, and then all the driver. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. Pretty much straightforward. It's not at all rocket science. By using built-in method get, it will launch your driver URL. That's it. You have to do. Plus, I'll share you a link for Selenium website. Go through it. Selenium Dev. This is the official website of Selenium where you get all the data. Okay. Getting started. IDE, Selenium Grid. Main thing is Selenium WebDriver. Okay. If you go to download, I'll tell you what are things does it require, what are the jar files needs to be attached in the next session. They are one by one. I'll keep on telling you what do you require to for have a what is Chrome driver, Selenium jars. Yeah. Today I just gave you a brief intro about Selenium, how it works, and what you can do with the help of Selenium. So guys, it's clear for you. So
Yes,
again, my
bye.
request is you should practice. Without practice, you won't be able to understand.
No, no, for sure. I'll sit today
Maybe
and spend
no,
some
just
time.
I just say have a goal for this week because
Sure.
my I can't continue guys for long. My goal is also short because again I'll move on different. Now I'm doing Selenium and Java. Next time I'll start with Selenium and Python.
Okay. Sounds good.
Yeah. So I'll be keep on with different stuff like the REST API is there. BDDs. There is lots of that. So basically, it's a crash course what I'm doing it now. So you guys have to speed up to catch up. So inshallah, that's it from my side. Let me know if you have anything. You can always send me, text me, the WhatsApp group, and we'll go from there.
Sure.
Yeah,
Inshallah.
inshallah.
Thank
Again,
you. Thank
when
you.
shall we see again? Let's.
I'm available tomorrow.
What other guys?
Yeah,
Ahmad?
tomorrow is good for me too.
Okay.
I think it that
Sorry, your voice is breaking up, Mr. Ahmad bhai.
if we can do it alternative days, it will be great. That's what I'm.
Okay. Okay, let's do it on Wednesday then, inshallah. Yeah.
I don't know. Ask everybody else because this is only my opinion.
Okay, let's do it. I'll have enough tomorrow one day. Try to run this hello program. Yeah, right?
Okay.
Inshallah, we'll see you guys on Wednesday at 2 p.m. 2 p.m. is good?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I'll text you guys. We'll have next session on Wednesday at 2 p.m. Jazakallah
Inshallah.
khair.
Thanks. Jazakallah.
Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you.
Jazakallah.
Walaikum salam.